In this video, I will show you how to send money internationally with PayPal through Xoom. So Xoom is PayPal's money transfer service for international payments, and here's how you can use it. So first, go and open up the PayPal website, and here just click on More. Now from there, the easiest way to get to Xoom is to just click on Reload Phone. Now you may not want to reload your phone, but here it will take you to Xoom if you click Agree and Continue. And then from there, you can now start using Xoom, and I'll show you how it works. So for me, it's now set to sending to the Netherlands, but if I just click right here, I can also select a different country. For example, let's say that I want to send to Japan, then I can just select Japan from the list. And then here I can choose how much I want to send, for example, 50 euros. And then I can see how much they will receive, and then you can set the receiving option. So in this case, only bank deposit is available, but this differs per country. So from there, just go and click on Next. Then here, if you also picked a bank transfer, you will need to select which bank they use. So for example, I'll just pick one of these. Then from there, enter the details. So in this case, account number, whether it's a savings account or not, and their branch number. Then click next. Then you will also need to add some other details, such as their first and last name and middle name. And just gonna follow every single step and enter all of the details. And from there, you can then go and pay for the transfer, and the money will then be on its way to your recipient. So that's how you can send money internationally with PayPal Xoom. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.